Hello, today we're going to do a hypothesis test for proportion for one sample or one population. In this case, we're going to address the question, do a majority of Lee students want fewer than 70% of chapels required? And we're going to use a significance level of 5%. So when we go to Excel, we can see that there were 30 participants, and they gave a percentage of chapels that they thought to be required. And we want to count how many of these responses are less than 70. So we type equals countif, and we highlight the range we want to count. And the criterion we want to use is less than 70. So we only want to know the students who want fewer chapels than we currently have, and we see that there are 20. So if we go to solve, we want to do inferential statistics for one sample proportion. The number of successes we saw was 20 out of 30. That is, 20 people said they wanted fewer than 70% of chapels required. And the hypothesis proportion is 50% or 0.5, because we want to know, does a majority support this? That is, does more than 50% of the population support this? So we generate our result, and we get a p-value of about 3%, and that is less than the level of significance. So we would say, yes, we reject the null hypothesis that 50% or less of students support reducing the chapel requirement. And we would accept the alternative hypothesis that more than 50% of Lee students support lowering the chapel percentage requirement.